Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create content calendar in Google Sheets. Whether you're planning your content, organizing work tasks, or keeping track of personal events, this simple calendar template is easy to make and customize. So let's get started. First, click on the A1 cell in here and drag it across G1. This will select the first 7 columns. Then click on the Merge Cells button in here. This will go ahead and combine them into one large title cell. Now, let's type in here the month and a year. For this example, we're just going to add in here month and add in Y for year, but you can type in any month that you want. The best part is that you can duplicate this template later and use it for every month of the year. Right after, let's move down to the second row. So in the first cell in here, you should go ahead and enter the following formula. Right after, press on enter. Google Sheets will automatically display the first day abbreviation. Now we'll just have to go ahead and drag this to fill the handle until you reach the column G. So this will automatically generate all 7 days of the week. Now, it's time to enter the dates for your calendar. So just simply type in the numbers for each day of the month into the appropriate boxes. So we'll just continue filling in the calendar until all of the dates are complete. Now, so you can see we've gone ahead and completed adding all of the dates in here. And if you could notice, we have left some space every after rows in here. Now, to give yourself more room for notes and events, we'll go ahead and resize these rows in here that we'll leave blank. So we're gonna simply click on Control on our keyboard and then click on each rows in here. So just hold the Control key in here. And then right after, let's go ahead and resize it. So this will go ahead and automatically resize all of the rows in here just like that. Now, for the fun part, let's start customizing our calendar. So we could start here on the month and year. Let's make this or align this to the center, and then you could add in some colors. So you could just go ahead and choose fill color in here and choose which color that you want to add on your calendar. So feel free to customize this as per your liking. And once you're done, your calendar is now ready to use. You can now start adding in here on any blank space, appointments, deadlines, meetings, content ideas, or anything that you want to keep organized. So let's add something in here, like a meeting. And then if your text extends into neighboring cells, just simply highlight in here your calendar. And then you could go ahead and choose format and choose wrapping in here and select unwrap. So this will keep all of your text neatly inside each calendar box. From here, you could continue customizing your calendar with different fonts, colors, borders, or even icons to make it your own. And that is just basically it. You've successfully created your own calendar in Google Sheets. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.